Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel HM Analytics. Today we will see one scenario in which we will see the use of map, flat map and filter. So here is one scenario in which this is the input and input file name is a region data and the data is given in this format, and the scenario is like question is the output should come in this format, like state should be in the one line and cities should be in the another line. So let's see. As you can see that we have initialized Spark context and Spark session at initial phase of the program, and we are reading the reason data.txt file as a Spark context.text file, and we are printing it as it is. In L1 section, again we are reading it for understanding purpose, and we are using the flat map here. So in the first section, we are going to split this line based on this tilt letter. So in the first iteration, what we are doing, we are going to split these lines in this format, like one by one. This is how we are going to split it. So for this we have to use the function called flatMap. Within the flatMap we have used a lambda function in which on each line, x is nothing but a line, on each line we are splitting it on top of tilt character. Once it is done, then result we have stored in this flatted RDD of region data variable, and we are going to print it one by one. So this is how it will be printed here. And now we have to filter all the states in one list and all cities are in another list. So for this again we are just filtering this each and every line, and we, based on the state and city, what we call that word. So filter method we are using directly, on top of which we are passing the lambda function as an argument, and immediately we are passing our collect statement to print it. In L3 section we have printed our state data and city data. So this is my state data and city data, this one. As you can see here that ASCII characters are also included, like U dash in every result. But interesting thing is, like when we try to print with help of the for loop, then these ASCII characters will not be printed here in L4 section. Here is the L4 section. So this is how it is. And finally, to get the desired output like this, we have to get rid of these state and city words. In order to achieve this, we have to use the replace function, but in the replace function we have to use it, we are using here the map function. In the map function is nothing but we are mapping one thing with another one. So here wherever the state hyphen and this arrow is there, that particular word, entire word will be replaced by the empty character, whatever we call it, empty string. So once this step is done, mapping phase is done, we are going to print it only city and only state variables. Here it is, L5 section. So in L6 section, in order to get rid of U dash, we are using this code. Like each and every line, like we are just encoding it with the help of the encode function. We are passing ASCII comma ignore, so it will ignore. So in this L1 and L2 list, these only city and only states will be loaded, and immediately we are printing out in L1 and L2. So these results are being shown on the screen in L6 section. So this is how we are using the flat map. Flat map is here. Here is the flat map, and here we are using the filter operation, and here we are using lambda functions as I have explained, and here we have used the map function. So thank you very much, and if any questions are there or any doubt is there, please feel free to comment out. I will try to explain it. Thank you. Good day.